What is up guys, Tan of the site. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Classrooms for students and teachers. So first you need to head over to your Google Classrooms by just typing classroom.google.com, and after that here when you're redirected to the home page for students, here you will see all your classes that your teachers or your institution has registered, and when you click on this here you will see the option to copy your class code. You can also display it, and if you have to customize this, you can also customize this according to your vision requirements. And when you're done, simply click on save to save your customization that you have done. For that, here, this is the stream settings. When you click on stream settings, here you will see all the class details, all the general details like the invite codes, the invite link. These settings are basically for the teachers. The teachers can see the class view, the class code, the invite link, and the teachers can also copy this invite link and then send to the students group. And after that, the students can simply join this particular class. And here, as you can see, this is the manage meet link. You can also manage your classroom meeting link, and you can also set the default grade of your attendance or any missing assignments if someone misses any assignments. And after that, when you just simply are done with this, you will see a to review section in teaching. From here, you can just simply review all the assignments and other works across all your class. And in the reviewed section here, it will show you all the reviewed assignments and tasks that you have already reviewed of your students. And when you click on this archive class here, all the class will appear that you have archived. And when you click on settings here, it will open the Google Classroom settings, wherein you can change your profile, and you can also enable and disable some notifications like comments on your post, allow email notifications, schedule posts published or failed, and multiple things. And after that, here, as you can see, the calendar, when you click on calendar, here you can update your calendar like all the holidays, the upcoming exams, upcoming tests. You can do everything, and you can also do it individually for an individual class. Let's say I want to customize a calendar for this third class. I'll just click on this third, and then I can just customize the calendar according to my vision requirements. And then when you click on this application section here, you will open all the applications of your Google. And when you click on this plus icon, you can create a new class or you can join a class. When you click on join a class for students, you can just simply enter the class code that I showed you earlier. And after that, you will be able to join the class. And when you click on the three dots in the class, you can also move the class anywhere in your PC. You can copy it, you can archive it, or you can copy the invite link, but that is for teachers. And you can open this folder in Google Drive, and you can open the gradebook for this particular section or particular grade. When you click on your profile here, you can access your Google profile. And this was a beginners friendly tutorial or short tutorial for teachers and students on how to use Google Classrooms. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.